So we are opening up a pack of 12 Shopkins Season 4, and 2 of those are hidden inside. So let's open it up and see what we have. Here we have the collector's guide. So we have Betsy Buttercup from Sweet Treats, Shy Pie / Cherry Pie is a special edition petkin. We have Bagel Billy from Bakery, Gale Scales from Homewares, and it is also rare. Miss Prezi from Party Time, Feta Plant 051 from Garden, Cheeky Cherries from Fruit and Veg, Jules from Accessories, Bonadette is a special edition petkin. And we have Feta Plant 057 from Garden. Here we also have a display case with the last 2 hidden inside. So let's see what they are. Here we have Little Pet Collar from Pet Shop, and it is also ultra rare. And we have Reader Remote, which is a special edition petkin. That's all from Play Toy Collection. Please check out our other videos.